number of elements that could lead to the failure of the cloud project. It usually starts with poor and hasty decision-making and continues with inadequate cloud project implementation. But let's start with why there is poor decision-making and where it could come from. So, first of all, it stems from the fact that there is no clarity on who is in charge and who is the final decision maker, and there is not enough time to properly research, plan, and gather all the information and requirements before jumping into choosing the technology and execution. Second, it stems from not having all the necessary skills and knowledge and not understanding how to use the skills and knowledge at hand. Third, it could also stem from not having enough resources for the upcoming cloud project. This happens because, number one, the top management could be reluctant to allocate all the necessary resources for the upcoming project, since they may not fully understand both the impact and the significance of the proposed cloud project. And number two, the technical leaders may be unsuccessful or unable to communicate clearly their needs, as well as the importance of the project they need to plan and implement, because they do not know how to adapt their messages to the business audience, who thinks in quite different terms and KPIs. And finally, it could stem from misunderstanding, miscommunication, and simple human error. And I really love the way David Linticum describes the human error factor. Human error is the core cause of cloud failures, and that fact has not changed across generations of the cloud technology. This is something we should definitely try to change. So, in a nutshell, while poor decision-making is caused mainly by the lack of leadership, which should be driving everything, and lack of clear cloud strategy to guide the cloud projects, inadequate cloud implementations are caused by a lack of sufficient time, number of funds, and number of skills and knowledgeable people. And these mistakes can be easily rectified, but when they are not, they usually lead to devastating and disastrous effects for the cloud projects.